Welcome everybody to the Family DIY channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace an old doorknob with a brand new one. So stick around. The first part that we're going to be doing in the installation is removing the old hardware. We're going to first open up the door and find the existing striker, and we need to remove that so we can add the new one on. Now that you have removed the existing striker, get from the packaging the new striker and install it. Now that the striker is removed, we need to go ahead and remove the door handle. On this type of door handle, there are no exposed screws, so you have to use your screwdriver and push in the little latch on the side. This will release the knob. Now that the knob is removed, we need to remove this plate that covers the screws. Now all we have to do is remove the screws. Now that the screws are out, you can remove the piece. Now you come to the other side and pull the other knob off. This will now expose the latch assembly, which you can just easily pull out as well. Now that everything is removed, you can go ahead and take your new latch assembly and install it into the door. All you have to do is slip it into the existing hole. One thing you want to make sure you take note of is which direction the door closes, so when the thing hits the striker, it actually hits correctly. So now you're ready to take out your new door handle and start to attach it. You are going to want to remove the two sides of the handle, followed by depressing down the latching mechanism. This will give you space to put the handle in. We now need to install the other part of the handle, which includes the lock. You're going to see right here, this is where the screws go in. However, it is blocked by the handle. This is why you need to use an Allen wrench to loosen up the little area right here. This will allow you to move the handle off, which will then expose where the screws go in. Now we need to line it up so we can insert our screws and screw the two pieces together. Now that the two sides are connected, we can go ahead and reattach the handle by tightening up the little screw with the Allen wrench. Alright, so now that it's all been attached, let's go to a few tests, see how well it works. Now that we can see the door closes properly with the new door handle and everything works, we can say we are done. So if you like this video, please give us a good thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.